twice. Down my way out, blood and fire. Bad decision, that's alright. Welcome to my city life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood. There's no way it's so good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever leave like your last and looking perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, looking perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You were wrong. Well, I changed the look in your head. Makes them like you instead. So complicated. Look how we all made it. Filled with so much hatred. Such a tiring game. It's enough. I've done all I can think of. Chased down all my demons. Seen you do the same. Oh, pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than you were perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you were perfect to me. Words can't tell the fear. The only thing I should be drinking is an ice cold beer. So cold and light, and they try, but they try too hard. It's a waste of my time. Looking to hurt critics everywhere. They don't like my jeans, they don't like my hair. Change for ourselves, and we do it all the time. Why do we do that? Why do we do that? Why do we do that?